ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ತಿನ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬೇಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ
use chapati first, put with bhaji, put with rice, and take some pickle, take like this, take a jewel like this, mix it properly, and then put it in our mouth.
Nobody will eat like this, it will make it stomach.
And do like this.
Nobody will eat.
That is how you eat food in village camp.
Okay.